Knock knock, welcome back to my channel English Education Express. Today we are diving into the world of kitchen utensils, focusing on their names and how to pronounce them correctly. Let's get started. So the first up is bowl. Do you say bowl? No, it's bowl. Next is serving bowl. Now here is a spoon. Spoon. Fork. Fork. Knife. Knife. And together they are called cutlery. Cutlery. Now this one is ladle. Ladle. Spatula. Spatula. This one is whisk. Whisk. And the next one is tongs. Tongs. Now the next one is colander. Colander. This is a flour sifter. Flour sifter. And this one is tea strainer. Tea strainer. Now move on to lemon squeezer. Lemon squeezer. Moving on, we have the bottle opener. Bottle opener. And this one is grater. Grater. This is a peeler. Peeler. And this one is mortar and pestle. Mortar and pestle. This is a potato masher. Not potato masher. It's a potato masher. And this one is oil brush. Oil brush. It's a pressure cooker. Pressure cooker. This one is griddle. Griddle. And this one is saucepan. Saucepan. This is a wok. Wok. This is a pan. Pan. It's a chopping board. Chopping board. Next is rolling pin and rolling board. Rolling pin and rolling board. Thank you for your attention. If you like this video, give your thumbs up in the comment section. Bye bye.